We have it all ready for you to shoot. I have a little target set up down below with some live ammunition.
Oh, this is great. Let's go for it.
All right. Wow.
Man. It's a mountain schooner from 1902. It's exceptionally rare. It got its name because the barrel can be unscrewed into two parts for easier transportation by pack animals. Oh my word! Look at that!
That is gorgeous.
Oh gosh!
We have the powder here ready to go, and we're going to shoot a 2 3/4 inch aluminum projectile, about 3 pounds. The original was 10 pounds.
Not only would the shells have been 3 times heavier 100 years ago, they would be attacked with explosives.
Using the proper projectile, the devastation would be amazing, up to a mile range. It's about a 30-second fuse.
Looks awful short to me.
Tom, you stay here, light it, friction, let's get out of here.
Yeah, thanks. Maybe.
Let me know when you guys are ready.
We'll telephone you.